coquillages et crustacés.
So first, the setup was assembled as demonstrated in figure 1. After that, about 5 milliliters of used oil was collected in a beaker. Following, 50 milliliters burette was properly filled with the titration solution, 0.1% mass volume of KOH, and all the air bubbles in the burette were removed by tapping on it. After that, 20 milliliters volumetric pipette was cleaned 3 times with distilled water and 2 times with isopropanol. After that, 20 milliliters of isopropanol were collected and transferred to a 50 milliliters beaker. 1 milliliters of used oil were also added using a micropipette. After that, 2 or 3 drops of the phenol red indicator and a mannitite stearine peanut were after added to the solution. So this solution is now the analyte of the titration. The 50 milliliters beaker was placed under the burette and the stir knob was turned on the hot plate. The stopcock was later opened and the titrant was slowly added drop by drop into the analyte. A close eye was kept on the color of the analyte. After some time, its color became pinkish and it stayed for more than 30 seconds. The end point had been reached, so the stopcock was closed and the color of the analyte was compared to the standard indicator in figure 2. The final volume of KOH was recorded, and once the lab was done, the setup was dismantled and the material was properly washed.